correctly, because this is not a right, this is a teaching aid.
I agree with that. I had mine at 16 when I got my first job.
I had one at 12 and kept a full checkbook because I was running a little lawn care business.
National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 2:45 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Fountain, Stratford, Fort Carson, Schriever Space Force Base, Security Widefield, Cimarron Hills, and Peterson Space Force Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
A month and still